The other day, I was having a conversation with a young man, and he was telling me that he had a bunch of late payments, and he was going through credit repair. And after he have done the credit repair, he was going to apply for a $20,000 credit card. And immediately I thought to myself, I said, this individual need credit counseling. What's up, YouTube? This is Brian Keith, your credit cousin. What is credit counseling? Well, the gist of credit counseling is letting individuals know and help them to understand where they fell short in their credit and how they can move forward. Now, if any of you are starting your credit journey and you just don't know what to do, well, you can reach me at thecreditcousin@gmail.com and we can talk about it. The young man that I was having a conversation with, he was saying that he makes $17,000 a year. First of all, I said, He said that previously he had 2 late payments on a car, and his high credit limit on a credit card was $2,000, and he was planning on cleaning up his credit and trying to go after a $20,000 credit card. Once again, I said to myself, this individual do not know anything about credit. Now, over the past couple of years, I have generated over $100,000 worth of credit with multiple companies, banks, credit unions, different institutions. And I'm learning that the majority of individuals don't know anything about credit. They don't know how to reasonably go from 5,000 to 7,500 to 10,000 to 15,000 to 20,000. So once again, I will be offering credit counseling from this day forward to help all of you who don't understand credit. And another thing the young man had said, that on his credit card, he had used 100% of the credit card limit. Once again, this individual needs credit counseling, because when you use 100% of your limit and it reports, your credit scores tank. So I was saying to myself, this young man is a potential client to help him understand how credit works. Most banks, when they give you a $10,000 credit limit, they're not expecting you to use the whole $10,000 on your personal side. The most on $10,000 you should use is $1,000. But in our conversations that I was having with the young man, I kind of enlightened him a little bit, and it just said to me that maybe there are more individuals out here that needs credit counseling, a way to understand this credit game. It can be a little tedious. It can take some time. But trust me, if you take my counseling, once again, you can reach me at thecreditcousin@gmail.com, and we can just schedule an appointment and try to help you move forward with your credit. So once again, my name is Brian Keith. I am your credit cousin. If you like this content, please subscribe. Give me one of these. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Once again, Brian Keith signing out.